Every brand has its own attitude and a personality, and we wouldn't want you to compromise on it. That's why we at Zepo let you customize your store in the best possible ways. Layout 1 has been designed to tempt out the designer in you. It is a highly customizable layout and gives you complete control over the customization of your store. You can define your own background color or image, choose your own menu, font colors, and so on. There are some ready templates to help you get started. So let's take a walkthrough of how you can customize each element and pep up your online store. To get you started, choose a template that catches your fancy. Now to designing the different elements on your store. First up is deciding a background for your store. You can choose between having a background in one solid color like the one here, or you can also upload an image as your background. If you're uploading a very graphical background image like the one used in this theme, but want the content on your store to be clearly visible at the same time, then you can choose a middle layer for your site by switching this on, and you can choose the color of your middle layer from here. Once you're satisfied with the whole look and feel of your site, we can head on to designing the separate elements. Within the header section, you can upload your company logo and manage its placement from here, like if you want it on the center of the page or on the left hand side. And you can also upload a logo thumbnail from here, which appears on the top of the browser as a favicon. At the same time, you can also change the menu box color as well as the text color from here to match the color of your background. Want a funky look or a more subtle vintage look? Whatever you have in mind, there are 14 font combinations to help you complete the look to create the perfect online store experience. Talking about fonts, you can also choose a contrasting font color for the running text on your store, like the text in product descriptions or static pages, as well as the color in which your product prices will be displayed. Now say I want my customers to know that I provide free shipping. How do I highlight that information right on my homepage? Easy said, easy done. A promo image lets you prominently feature any special messages for your visitors like discount coupons or shipping information. You can have a maximum of 3 promo images and you can upload images of your choice from here. You also have a choice of linking them to static pages, an external page, or your own product page. Can you see all these call to action buttons on your store, like add to cart or the continue shopping button? You can change the button color and text of all these buttons on your store through this section. Your main buttons include buy now or pay now, whereas your miscellaneous buttons are the other alternative buttons on your store like continue shopping. You can define the button color as well as the button text color for both main buttons and miscellaneous buttons. On similar lines, you can also define what color you'd like your footer to be in. We suggest you select a darker shade of color with respect to your background as your footer color, and then adjust the text color accordingly. Isn't that a lot of customization options to play around with? Go on and don your creative hats then. Your online store is your ready canvas. Seeing the display windows for stores, they pretty much act like a billboard for the store and decide if a customer will walk by or enter the store. Well, a welcome page will help you achieve exactly that for your online stores. To put your best foot forward and make an awesome impression on all your customers. It's rather simple to make the online page for your store, and it all gets done in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Add 1 or more background images. Step 2. Specify links that you'd like to have in your menu box. You can specify up to 5 different links like I just did on your menu box. Step 3. Decide on the placement and customization of the menu box to match your background images. And voila, you have ready a beautiful welcome page to move all your visitors to the online store. You can use the welcome page in a lot of different ways. Here's a glimpse of some of them for inspiration's sake.